Welcome to DEQ's Crop Residue Burning Registration Instruction video. This procedure instructs you in registering a field burn in DEQ's Crop Residue Burning program. First, log into your grower account. Then follow these steps. Click Registration found on the menu on the left side of the screen, or click the plus sign in the registration header on your grower landing page. The registration overview page opens. On the registration overview page, click the Start a New Registration button. Click the box next to the appropriate permit, Crop Residue Disposal or Spot and Bale. The Crop Residue Disposal permit is used for burning agriculture fields and pastures greater than 1 acre in size. The Spot and Bale permit is used for burning residues smaller than 1 acre in size, for example, a broken bale or a small area of weeds within the boundaries of a field or pasture. After selecting the permit type, click Next. Choose the field to be burned. Select either existing fields or new fields to add a field to the registration. For existing fields, 1. View Map. A map of the fields in your grower account opens. Click on the green balloon to view the details of the field. Click Select Field, and the drop-down box automatically fills. 2. Click the down arrow to view a list of fields in your account. For new fields, select the Add New Field button, and a new window opens. In the new window, add field details, field name, and field size in whole acres. County auto-populates based on the field location. Zoom in and click on the map to auto-fill the latitude and longitude. The red circle is a 3-mile radius around the field showing institutes with sensitive populations, or ISPs. ISPs include schools, hospitals, and assisted living facilities. Any ISPs within 3 miles of a field are listed below the map. Enter items of interest in the notes section, such as proximity to a canyon or forested area. When finished adding all the details, click Save Field. The registration screen opens and the new field is available in the map or drop-down box. After selecting field, click Next. Select the following: crop type, requested burn acres, requested burn date, and estimated burn duration in hours. Please note, registrations must be completed at least 30 days before the burn. However, most electronic registrations are processed within 3 days. Click Next. Click the drop-down box list to select the burn manager for this field. The burn manager is the on-site person managing the burn. By default, you are automatically listed. To add another person to the list, select Add a Burn Manager. In the pop-up box, enter the first name, last name, phone number, and email address. To add a person already in the CRB database, click Find Burn Manager. In the pop-up window, enter the first name, last name, and cell phone number. Click Search. If all the information matches, the person will display. Click Add Selected. Note, grower training is required for burn managers and growers every 5 years. The online training provides an overview of the program and grower and DEQ responsibilities. Click Next. Select at least one fire safety method. Indicate the measures you will take to prevent escaped burns and smoke from creating a hazard on a public roadway. Type additional measures not listed in the notes box. Click Next. Review the fields added to the registration. Click Add Another Field to add additional fields to the registration. Click Edit Details to edit the field detail entered. Click Remove Field from Registration to remove a field, or click to see a list of ISPs near the field to view a list of ISPs near each field. When you have completed adding and reviewing fields, click Submit Registration. An automatically generated warning appears about Idaho Department of Land's fire safety permits. Click Submit and the confirmation page opens. Print the registration form and sign. Send the form to DEQ by mail, fax, or email. Here is the information needed for mail, fax, phone, and email. To cancel a request, select the red Cancel button located on each page during the registration process, or the blue button on the registration overview page. Continue a previous registration by clicking the registration number, and the registration will continue. Once DEQ reviews your registration, you will receive an email confirmation. A DEQ staff member will also contact you to coordinate a burn day. If you have any questions, please contact DEQ. Thank you and safe burning.